This is a Tinkan edge detector robot. This will roll around the table, and when it's come to the edge, it will find it, detect it, and go away from the edge. And he will never fall down. Let me show you in action. Now let's investigate what is inside this robot. This is a plastic cup. This is a plastic eyes and hand, and it's fake. This is a Coca-Cola can, and it not have nothing inside it, and it's metal by using. And this is the moving part. Because they have two wheels and two wheels back, two back wheels, double front wheels, and a left turning wheel. This is a very simple construction, and I don't know how this robot can work because he has no eyes to see, no hands to feel the edge, no brain to think, no leg to touch the edge. And I guess when he comes to the edge of the table, he used the turning wheel to turn away from the edge. Now I have a science question for all of you. How can this robot without eyes to see, without hand to touch, or without brain to think, and without leg to feel the edge, how can